Today, we'll be installing Torklift camper tie-downs, part number D2124 on a Ram 3500. These tie-downs bolt directly to your truck's frame, creating the strongest mounting option possible for a slide-in camper. Proudly made in the USA with a lifetime warranty, these tie-downs are powder-coated and built to last. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving it a like and subscribing to the channel for any future installs. Starting on the driver's side of the vehicle, remove the forwardmost bed mount bolt. Lift the tie-down receiver into place. Reinstall the bed mount bolt, leaving it hand tight for now. Install the front clamp strap on the inside of the truck frame with the welded-on nut on the top side, facing toward the receiver. Secure with a bolt, lock washer, and flat washer. Install a bolt through the bottom hole, placing a pipe spacer between the receiver and strap. Secure with a lock washer and nut. Place the rear clamp strap on the inside of the frame. Slide a bolt and washer through the top hole and secure with a lock washer and nut. Secure the bottom hole with a bolt, washer, pipe spacer, lock washer, and nut. Torque down the hardware, beginning with the bed mount bolt, then the upper bolts, followed by the bottom bolts. Repeat this process to install the passenger side tie-down. When you're ready to use your tie-downs, simply slide an insert into the receiver and secure with the provided 1/4-inch pin. Your tie-downs are now installed and ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.